So I'm at the 99-cent store, and I'm going to walk through and show you all the stuff here. This is unreal. Look at my basket. So when I got home from the 99-cent store and started playing the video, I realized there was music in the background and YouTube may not like it and they may knock off the video. So I decided to narrate over the video. Anyways, the 99-cent store's got all kinds of stuff. If you've got one, even a dollar store, if you've got them, check it out because the prices are great. You've got all kinds of things that you can hang hummingbird feeders on, use in your garden. You can color it up. Color up your garden, but there's just everything you would possibly need in the garden. So that's why I really enjoy going to the 99-cent store. And you can overdo it, so be careful and look around. They carry the plant stakes, and sometimes those stakes are more money at, let's say, nurseries or big box stores. This has been really great. And they've been getting in two sizes. They've been getting in the 3-foot and the 4-foot. Now, they're the same price, and it's still for a pair, so I don't know why anybody would only want the 3-foot, but I guess if you were maybe planting in pots, you would want the 3-foot. I went with the bigger ones. I did buy this 3-foot the first time I went, but this time I bought the 4-foot. They had the hats that I bought already. I love those hats. I haven't even got to try it out yet. No insects yet, but I will be wearing it. They have short hoses if you needed to just hook up an extension or short hoses. They have all kinds of cutters. As you'll notice, some of them are more than 99 cents. So you do want to check those prices before you buy. And then they have different stakes. They have different flower bulbs. The little ornaments they've got that you can hang up all over the garden. This one is hummingbirds. Again, some of these are more than they're $1.99. They're more than 99 cents. Because the 99-cent store now does have things for more than $1. So that's why you have to watch it. Where the Dollar Tree is strictly $1. It's got a lot of cute things, a little tiny greenhouse if you wanted to start some seeds in it or do something. That's $2.99. I do have one of those expanding hoses, and those are nice. I don't have this brand. I have a different brand, but it does work good for me, for where I need it. More colorful things. Just wanted to have you cruise through with me. I don't know why they had oven mitts there, but I guess they had flowers on it, so they thought maybe they'll put the oven mitts there. Different types of hoses. They've got, I should say, nozzles. And then this looks like it's a pooper scooper, something you would clean off the ground. I guess you could use that too. And then, of course, plant holders, wire ties, if you can use that. That was a good deal for $1. And then, of course, seeds for $1. They're starting to get picked over, and they don't get a lot in, once they sell out. Sometimes they'll get a couple shipments in, so check it out. If you're looking for seeds, they have flowers and fruits and vegetables. And then, of course, they've got all the different spinners for the garden, different little statues. And this frog, I guess, is a solar frog. His eyes light up. And then owls and mushrooms. How cute. I mean, this is really nice if you had a small garden and you wanted to really jazz it up a little bit. And then the rocks with hope and different, phrases on it like that. Welcome. I think that's nice. And then, of course, the gnome that's going to give me nightmares. No, I think that's cute, I guess. Not my cup of tea, but it's different. You'll have the eyes peeking out at night looking at you. That might be really cute, though. I think they have so much. There's the hummingbird feeder. And, of course, you know what I do with that. I cut a piece of wire. It's so simple. Just twist it around and shape it, twist it back. You don't need to do a lot. The main thing is don't let it be sharp. Twist it around, shape it where it's a little perch in front, and they'll sit on it. I like when the hummingbirds hang out. It gives them time to sit and enjoy, and you get to enjoy them more. And then, of course, all the different flower pots they have. And that was the first time I've seen llamas or alpacas. That was different to see. That's cute, if you're planting something small. It's just amazing all the things they have. And do keep in mind, everything you're seeing now will be gone in a couple months. They'll start bringing in the Christmas items. All the flower pots and garden stuff will be gone. Now, at the end of summer, they put everything half price. They have lights, different types of lights. So keep that in mind if you keep an eye on them and find out when they're doing half price. But that won't be for a while. More different lights and solar lights. Now, this was cute. The Hummingbird solar light. I did buy one. And the only downfall I've got is it's so cute. I wish I bought two, and when I went back, they didn't have any more. That's not to say they may not get some more in, but many times they do not. So I wasn't sure how it was going to work, but it looked really cute. Gary likes going there too, I think. Maybe he's just pretending. No, he buys some things. He looks. And then, of course, some tools and different things for your garden. And yeah, the poles, he knows. He uses them. I use them because these stakes do not break. I have never had one break. So when you buy it, it's basically a lifetime stake. So at the end of the season, when you're done, if you've got snow, pull them out and put them somewhere so you've got them in the spring. But see the different sizes? Even the 4-foot one is a little thicker than the 3-foot one, and he's laying it down to show you there that because of the lines in the floor, you can see that one is 4-foot. Those are square foot tiles. So that was a really good deal. And then, of course, the watering cans, some are metal, some are plastic. So many different solar things. It's amazing how solar was so expensive, 10 years ago, and now it's everywhere, just everywhere. And little, again, lights, and there's knee pads if you're going to kneel down in your garden. I did get myself one metal watering can. You go to some of the big stores, and I've seen them for $15, $20, and I think that was amazing. I did get myself one, because that will last a long time. If you leave it out in the sun, it's not going to decay that some of the plastic ones do if you leave them out in the sun too much. They'll break down after a couple years. The tulips, again, all solar. These were metal too. They had other flower pot watering cans that were metal. And back to those stakes. I love the stakes. The stakes were my favorite thing. I am going to admit that I loaded up on those. I probably ended up with 40 at least, which means 80. And then, of course, the hanging little gizmos you can put around your yard, which were so cute. I did not buy any of those. I did get some gnomes early on the year, but I didn't buy any of those. But it's just cute. Bird netting, I will never buy bird netting from there. I'll do that. I'm going to do another video on bird netting and why I won't use the bird netting. I use tulle. But this is cute. All these little things you can just stick in your garden so you can enjoy it a little bit more. If you want. You don't need to. It's not going to make your garden grow any better. And again, I'm just kind of walking through and showing you all the different things. I think it's amazing. See, that's a different netting. That netting's not that bad. That's like 1/4-inch netting, and that's not a netting. It's more of a cover. It's like a 1/4-inch wire. Now this is cute. This I bought, and I fixed it up to work for me. I'll show you at the end of the video what I did with it. But I looked at it, I hummed and hawed, and then I thought, oh yes, I have a place for that. So for $1, I bought one. I think it was worth $1. And you can hang a hummingbird feeder on the bottom. This was interesting, a little fence. I'm not sure what you're supposed to do with it, but it's like an accordion, you open it up. But that was $1.99. Somebody might have a use for it, maybe to keep something out or to separate something. I mean, you're going to have a dog get through that probably. But, everybody's got different reasons why they may want to put something like that around. And let's see, they've got, like I said, it's unbelievable. Knee pads, those things go on your knees, again, to get on the ground. I think it's unbelievable the amount of stuff they've got, that almost everything's $1. They've got these large pots. Those were more. They're more than $1, but the smaller ones are $1. And then these are the strawberry towers you put together. Those were $1. They do sometimes get heavier ones in that are more than $1. And I do use the strawberry towers. I have used them. Those things are good. And you can make it as tall as you want. So I would say my favorite thing from the 99-cent store are the tomato stakes, the plant stakes. And I've got one gnome, and that works for me. So all in all, I think it's really worth it. So there's that hummingbird hook I bought at the 99-cent store. Isn't that beautiful? I looked at it and I thought, you know what? I can use that. I have a place to hang it. I figured what I would do is put a piece of wire there so I could see there's a wire there. I could hook on an extra hummingbird feeder because there's enough space. And then I made a hook there to make it a little longer. So I could put another hummingbird feeder on the bottom. And it's well balanced. Look at that. So it hangs up on that hook. And it's really cute. I enjoy that. And you know what? The hummingbirds like it. Because certain times of the day, there's hundreds of them here. And this way, I got to put on an extra feeder because of that hook I bought at the 99-cent store. So with that, have a wonderful day. And don't forget to eat what you grow. Bye-bye, everybody.